Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use default in the Kraken boss fight. The default command is your primary tool for consistent damage and resource management. It's not just a basic attack. It's essential for controlling the flow of battle and setting up your more powerful abilities. By understanding its role, you can efficiently dismantle the Kraken's defenses and secure victory with a well-executed strategy. When facing the Kraken, your default attacks are key to managing its multiple tentacles. Each tentacle can absorb a significant amount of damage, often around 2,500 hit points. By focusing your default attacks, which typically hit for 200 to 300 damage, you can systematically eliminate these threats. This focused approach ensures you don't spread your damage too thin, allowing you to quickly clear the way to the main body. Beyond direct damage, default attacks are vital for building your special attack gauge. Each successful default hit contributes to filling this meter, which, once full, allows you to unleash devastating special abilities. These specials are often crucial for dealing massive damage to the Kraken's main body or clearing multiple tentacles simultaneously. By consistently using default attacks, you ensure a steady flow of energy, keeping your powerful options available throughout the fight. After successfully dispatching the Kraken's tentacles, your default attacks shift focus to its main body. This core has a substantial health pool, often around 10,000 hit points. Continue to use your default attacks to chip away at its health and to keep your special attack gauge filling. This consistent pressure, combined with well-timed special abilities, will ultimately lead to the Kraken's defeat. Persistence with your default strategy is the key to victory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.